Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Line Aula Gopal Rao, PMJF, an FTI graduate, opted Linism in the year 2006. One and only line leader, served as district GLT coordinator for 3 terms from its inception in promoting leadership acumen among the fellow lines by implementing new trends in skill development to lines and LEOs as per LCI curriculum from time to time. Line Avula Gopal Rao, known for his quintessential leadership skills and his passion, added upon a perfect epitome for man of actions, served as preferred faculty for many district and multiple level institutes, including twice for RLLI. A good spokesman, highly affable, open-minded volunteer, awarded with LCI Presidential Medal 2019 and 7 times IP Appreciation Certificates. His excellent contributions made him elected to the position of District Governor 2021 and 22.